Vulcan, the blacksmith of the gods, was the Roman god of fire, volcanoes, and metalworking. Known for his unparalleled skill as a craftsman, he forged the weapons and armor of the gods in the heat of his divine forges. Representing the strength of controlled fire, Vulcan was essential for creating tools and weapons, revered for his ability to transform metals into objects of power and protection. As the lord of volcanoes, Vulcan was also associated with the destruction caused by natural forces. The Romans believed that volcanoes were manifestations of his presence and subterranean power. While his force was feared, he was respected as the god who mastered fire in its rawest and most destructive form, symbolizing the natural power that could both build and destroy. Vulcan was married to Venus, the goddess of love and beauty, forming a contrasting pair that united the strength and hardness of metal with the softness and charm of Venus. Their relationship was marked by stories of jealousy and rivalry, but also represented the balance between hard work and love. The Romans saw in this union the connection between the blacksmith's labor and beauty, believing that Vulcan's skill in creating beautiful and powerful objects was inspired by his devotion. In ancient Rome, Vulcan was honored annually at the Vulcanalia festival, celebrated in August at the height of summer. During the festival, bonfires were lit to honor the god and protect the city from fires. This rite reinforced Vulcan's importance as a deity who could bless the Romans with his gifts or devastate them with his power if not properly respected. Vulcan is remembered as a symbol of hard work, transformation, and the destructive power of fire. For the Romans, he represented the strength that creates and protects, but also one that demands respect and caution. His figure inspires the dedication and mastery that come from controlling fire and matter, reminding us that true power lies in harnessing and transforming nature's most intense forces for good.